Okay, so this is how we use the Cuff Assist. All you have to do is plug it in. This is the Respironics E70. Once you turn it on, you see the settings. So the settings are always there. You don't have to do anything anytime you use it. Just turn it on here and then press therapy. That's basically it. So those are the settings for Katharina. She is currently 6.5 years old. She weighs 16 kilograms. And no, she's not happy when we use it, but it's really helpful, and she learned how to really cough by herself really well. I try to put that here so you can see it and I don't have to hold it. You can hear her cough. Okay, now we're starting. We go 3 rounds. Each round has 6 inhaling, and we do it 3 times. That was just a little seizure, so the mucus is what triggers them. Okay, here we go. All I have to do is put the mask on her face and go on therapy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you stop it, the mucus comes out, so you can wash it away, and she's happy again. It's very efficient. Once she is inhaling, she starts the mechanism basically. Okay, bereit? Zweite Runde. And round second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. She really can get the mucus out very well now, and I'm pretty sure it saved us a few pneumonias. I tried it on myself. I know it does not hurt. It feels weird and funny, but it does not hurt. And this is what she can do now all by herself. She didn't used to do that. Not with that much power, at least. Okay, letzte Runde. Last one. And therapy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we do a 7th one. Just because I see so much stuff coming out. That's it. Now you can just turn it off. Wait for all the stuff to come out. And what you should do after using it, we use it at least once a day if she's sick or on the weekends. On the weekends we always use it twice a day, before lunchtime and at night. So like that time now, it's around 6:30. And we always do the nebulizer treatment beforehand. And if she's sick, we can do it like 3 times, 4 times, how often you might need it. And it really gets out all the junk. So I try to send that to you. And make sure you vent the tube if you use it, because using that, a lot of air will get into the tummy and you want to have it out of the belly, so make sure you vent it really well. Just put the syringe on the tube, open the syringe, and the air comes out. Many people don't do that, so that's why I mention it. Okay, see you!